Okay, guys. So I missed some of the contents, but I'll cover it all. If necessary, I'll cover. Otherwise, need not to cover because directly you can check. Directly you can read and understand by yourself. Okay, these are some of the note points with respect to yesterday's applications. Important note points. So let's learn about directive tags. What is the purpose of directive tags? Directive tags gives the direction to the JSP page compiler to generate the appropriate Java code in JSP equivalent Servlet program as required for the application needs. So what is the application needs actually? So there are three types of tags. One is page, one is include, one is taglib. Yesterday itself we have worked with the page directive. Yesterday itself we have worked with the page directive. So page directive allows you to supply or add a global information about your JSP program. Okay, JSP programs, like if I wish to add any package, if I wish to add or if I wish to use any package, import java.sql.connection, java.sql.star, java.util.star. Okay, or maybe java.lang.star, maybe third. Okay, I wish to import all those packages into my applications. Okay, like importing, I wish to increase buffer size of my JSP web page. I wish to perform some content type operations. Those operations you can do by using page directive. Page directive. Second is include directive. It allows to include the source destination JSP program into your source JSP program. Okay, I have two JSPs. That destination JSP program code I wish to include in my JSP program. In my JSP program. Either I'm a page compilation, either I'm a page translations. So that you can do by using include directive. Next up is taglib directives. Whenever you want to create a custom and third party tag like JSP colon declaration, JSP colon scriptlet tags are there. Similarly, you can create your custom tag. So that tag you can create by using taglib directive. That we shall now let's just note the points. What are the directive tags? So directive tags gives directions or instructions to JSP page compiler to generate. What is the JSP page compiler in Tomcat? JSP C. Generate appropriate Java code in JSP equivalent Servlet program, or you can call JSP equivalent Servlet program. Okay, Servlet program as required for application needs. So what are the different types of directive tags are there in JSP? So let me add first page directive. Yesterday itself we have worked with the page directive. What is the page directive? Page directive allows to supply or provide you can call global information to JSP program like package, imports, buffer size, content type, bezel. Next, include directive. Why I wrote include in lowercase, why I wrote page in lowercase. They are the keyword as it is you can use. Okay. Next, include directive. So here is not a page, here is lowercase also. So include directive, include directive, include directive allows to include the code to destination program to the code of source JSP program. Next, third is taglib directive. So this taglib directive allows to work with the custom and third party JSP tags. Let's work with now page directive in detail. Okay. Let's have some of the example with page directive. What is the standard syntax? Standard syntax to work with the page directive, and XML syntax to work with the page directive. Okay. Actually, आपण कालच शिकले already. Okay. Anyway, I'll go once again. What are the content type? What are the attributes that we shall see?